Hi everyone and welcome to this video. This is Shadi Abdo with the weekly analysis. I'm going to start as usual with the Bitcoin on the daily time frame. The pair is simply, I would say, moving sideways, consolidating. As a matter of fact, with a little bit of, I would say, the pair tilts towards, like, I would say, bearish tendency. As a matter of fact, but here there's something that is, I'm concerned about. The pair is forming something like that looks like a double top pattern. The double top pattern is usually a very bearish pattern. When it shows up on the chart, you must be ready because the market might shift. So in this very case, I can see here the first peak here and the trough or the low between the two peaks. So one peak, the second, and trough between them, and this level between them makes a strong support. This could be called the confirmation line. After the price goes beyond it, or maybe after it is broken, the pair might continue going downwards. I think this might push the pair towards 36. So this could be a very significant movement to the downside, but as I told you, it is conditioned by the breakout of this line. In terms of numbers, I believe we can just draw a line here. So as you can see, it is 4,400. So if the pair breaks through this level, and I need a daily close below this level to be confirmed, then the pair might reach, I think, 38, then 36,500 at least. Those gonna be your targets after the breakout of 400. So this is simply how it works. In order for us to witness more bullishness, I believe this previous high, the highest level actually, the most recent highest level, as could be seen here, is 44,650. A daily close above this level would simply result in a strong movement to the upside. As a matter of fact, a very strong movement, significant movement to the upside. 46, 48 gonna be our targets. Let's move to ETH on the daily time frame as well. It stands here, fluctuates, as could be seen here. As a matter of fact, the pair is standing at a very strong area, which is this level, 2,400. It simply there were like many attempts here to break through this level, but none of them worked. I believe this might push the pair a little bit downwards. So the pair is trying to move higher, but I think it's not powerful enough to continue. As a matter of fact, I think 2,400 is gonna be a strong area of resistance. A daily close above this level would simply push the pair higher and higher. Keep in mind that we could be witnessing very soon a potential of having a double top pattern, which I mentioned earlier, that it is a bearish pattern. Here the confirmation line is 2,134 or maybe 30, something like this. Let's keep a margin of error here. Okay, let's say 2,100. If it is broken, this would trigger a corrective wave, a significant corrective wave to the downside. Just keep this in mind. We had this potential, this idea before, okay, peak, trough, peak, but the price did not continue. So here we have peak, trough, peak. What would happen? We're gonna see. Let's move to XRP, but before we move to XRP, we could be bearish as long as it is below 2,400, okay, since it is trading below 2,400. If it is broken, then things would change, and I believe the market would continue going upwards. XRP, okay. At the basis of what could be seen on this chart, we have here a potential. The market is forming. So we have here a symmetrical triangle being formed. Here are some peaks to the upside that would simply make this downtrend line, and some troughs to the downside that would make this uptrend, a small uptrend line, very tiny actually. If you go to a lower time frame, you're gonna find it bigger, but nothing wrong with this. Anyways, we have here a symmetrical triangle, which is very neutral. In this case, we can decide what we can do yet. It's gonna take time. We just want to wait for either the upside to be broken or the downside, that is the downtrend line, to be broken. The market is open for any of these options. Just wait until the breakout is confirmed, whether to the upside or to the downside. That's it. I hope this works. Have a wonderful week.